Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Keya's Craze. Today I'll show a neckline design with applique work and some easy hand stitches. Here I have taken cotton red fabric, you can see, and now I am drawing here. We have to draw the design like this. Here I am using a pen. If you want you can use color pencils. I have done the drawing on the fabric directly. If you want you can just draw the design on a paper, then you can trace it on fabric and then you can cut it. Here I have taken a cotton fabric. It's a dark chocolate color, you can see. Now you have to set the cut fabric like this. Here I am using fabric glue. You have to apply the glue like this. Here I am giving blanket stitch and here I have taken twisting cotton thread. Here I am using regular color pencil. Now I'm giving a stem stitch here. Here I have taken 2 string cotton thread. Now here I am giving running stitch with 2 string cotton thread. Here I have taken 4 string cotton thread and now I am giving busk chain stitch. Again I have taken 4 string cotton thread and here I am giving pistol stitch. Previously I had made a video of pistol stitch flower. If you want you can check it. I will put the link in the description box. Now here I am giving Romanian stitch and it is also known as knot shorten stitch. Previously I had made a single tutorial with this stitch. If you want you can check it. I will put the link in description box. Here I am giving a stem stitch. Now here I have taken 2 string cotton thread and here I am giving feather stitch. you can see it's completed with some basic easy stitches, and with creative applique work you can make your own neckline design. So if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.